Has Donald Trump quietly spared India from the harshest tariffs? Or is New Delhi still caught in Washington's economic crossfire? After Trump's high stake meeting with Putin in Alaska, the big question remains: will India face the full brunt of US trade penalties? US President Donald Trump and Russian President Putin met in Alaska for nearly 3 hours. The summit was billed as historic, but it ended without a breakthrough on Ukraine. Trump called it considerable progress, while Putin hinted an important agreement. But beneath the smiles, no deal was signed. For India, the stakes were different. New Delhi was watching closely, hoping the meeting might soften Trump's tariff hammer. In early August, Trump slapped a 25% additional duty on Indian exports, doubling it to 50% on some goods. The reason? India continued imports of discounted Russian oil. Textiles, jewelry, marine products, worth nearly $40 billion in exports, are now under fire. Trump argued that by choking off India's oil purchases from Russia, he was tightening the noose on Moscow's war chest. But now, New Delhi dismissed the move as unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable. Here's the catch: Russian oil has been India's lifeline since 2022. When Western nations turned their back on Moscow, Russia offered steep discounts. India grabbed the opportunity to become Russia's top oil customer. It kept domestic fuel prices stable and even allowed Indian refiners to re export petroleum products to Europe. Now, if India bows to US pressure and cuts Russian imports, its crude bill could soar by $9 to $12 billion. That means higher inflation, weaker competitiveness, and economic pain at home. But Trump isn't just targeting oil. He's tying India's tariff to geopolitics. Remember the Pahalgam terror attack in May? India and Pakistan nearly spiraled into full-scale conflict. Trump claims he personally mediated the ceasefire, even suggesting his trade leverage stopped the clash from going nuclear. Linking tariffs to both Russia and India-Pakistan tensions, Trump has positioned himself as a deal maker, hinting he deserves nothing less than a Nobel Peace Prize. Here's the irony. While India faces steep duties, China, Russia's biggest oil buyer, has so far escaped similar punishment. Instead, Washington is busy negotiating a trade truce with Beijing. This uneven treatment raises a burning question in New Delhi. Why is India being singled out when China props up Moscow even more? As of now, the full 50% tariff is set to hit India export on August 27th. That could cripple sectors already reeling from global showdown. Meanwhile, Modi's government insists India wouldn't be bullied. Its Russian oil trade continues. The Alaska summit signals one thing clearly: Trump may delay tariffs on China. He may talk peace with Putin. But when it comes to India, Washington patience is running thin. So, has Trump really changed his mind after meeting Putin? Not yet. For India, the tariff storm is still on course, and August 27 could be the day New Delhi truly feels the burn of Washington pressure gain.